Alright guys, so we're going to make some hamburgers today, or as I like to call them, smash burgers. We're going to have them on the barbecue on a flat top. So get your hamburger. We'll put it in a bowl. I'm just going to break it up a little bit. I want it to be nice and fluffy. We're going to add 2 egg yolks. Okay, so there's our 2 egg yolks. Put that in there. So we're going to do 1 pack for now. See how that goes. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to add some of our seasoning, the pork dry rub that I have. I'll add a little bit of salt. And some pepper. Alright, so we're going to just incorporate this nicely. We don't want it to be too squashed. Just mixed in enough. Alright, so next, I'm going to grab a scale. I'd like around 3-ounce patties. I want to see what this gives us here. Three ounces. So that's what we'll do, is we will get the burgers made like this. So now these burgers are going to be thin, but we're going to be squishing them from the ball right on the barbecue. Alright. There we go. Alright, so we're going to get this all set up here. This is leaning out this way a little bit. So, get the butter spread out. And then we're going to grab, let's get 1, 2, 3, we're going to do 4 at once here for now. Let's see how that goes. So, once you got it on there, we want to smash it. Now these are not going to be pretty, they are going to be tasty. So we're going to put some salt and pepper over top of it. Also over top of these onions. We'll let these cook until they start to get puddles on the top, and then we'll flip them. And no matter what you do not flip them until they're ready. Don't touch them, don't play with them. Let them get crispy in the bottom. I'm going to check these onions as well. Alright, ready to flip the onions.
Big and small.
Yeah. Alright, these hamburgers are just about done. I'm going to turn this right down. We're going to put the buns there and start toasting. All right, so we're gonna flip these now. And for these ones here, these are gonna be mine. I'm gonna add the Havarti jalapeno cheese. All right, just about done.